Whether it's an autonomous car, a UAV, a driverless truck, or a cross-country passenger train, RazorLink can provide a seamless, secure and reliable network connection to a fast-moving, long-distance vehicle. Traditional solutions can result in slow, intermittent network connections. Travelers cannot get online, telemetry cannot be delivered, and security can be compromised. But with RazorLink, the train has a super fast, reliable connection. Travelers are online, telemetry is prioritized, and security is maintained. So, how does it work? Traditionally, as the train and travelers move, they experience drops in connection when they move between networks and when they travel through dead zones. But now the train operator can deploy RazorLink. Good choice. Without disrupting any existing communication systems. RazorLink now provides a fast, reliable connection. Simple. But in the background, RazorLink is working hard solving complex network problems. RazorLink migrates between network services with no dropouts. Dead zones are covered by utilizing multiple providers or even satellite links. Network services are sped up by RazorLink's network acceleration, and RazorLink even bonds multiple networks together. All data is encrypted for added security, and telemetry data can be prioritized. A connected train is a happy train. RazorLink Smart Networking can radically improve connectivity for connected vehicles in these ways and more. To find out more, visit livewire.co.uk.